Looking for a Calgary getaway that will leave you breathless? This video uncovers the 11 best tourist attractions and places to visit in Calgary, Canada. Brace yourself for a journey full of unforgettable moments and breathtaking sights. Calgary, despite being the biggest city in Alberta and Canada's primary hub for oil, hasn't been able to escape its Cowtown moniker. This nickname pays homage to Calgary's deep-rooted connection to cattle farming, and has proven invaluable for tourism promoters who want to evoke images of cowboys, cattle drives, and an untamed frontier. When you come to this vibrant city, there are numerous activities to keep you entertained. Experience the renowned Calgary Stampede held every July or venture into Heritage Park, a delightful attraction that offers a glimpse into the pioneer days of the city. Families will particularly enjoy this engaging experience. Calgary is an incredible destination for those who appreciate breathtaking views. When you gaze towards the west, the majestic Rocky Mountains emerge as an imposing obstacle that seems to rise from the flatlands. The close proximity of these mountains, along with their renowned national parks, makes Calgary a perfect option for winter sports enthusiasts, nature lovers, and tourists seeking memorable sightseeing experiences. If you're looking for some entertainment within the city, there are numerous tourist attractions to incorporate into your Calgary travel plans. Exploring Prince's Island Park and crossing the iconic Peace Bridge is particularly enjoyable during the evening, either before or after indulging in a fantastic meal at one of the downtown core's excellent restaurants. Make sure to check out our comprehensive guide on the must-see sites and activities in Calgary, Alberta, so you can make the most of your travel plans. Number 11. Visit during the Calgary Stampede. Dating back to the 1880s, the Calgary Stampede is a renowned 10-day event that takes center stage on Calgary's summer calendar. Recognized as Canada's Stampede City, this iconic rodeo has solidified Alberta's reputation and is considered one of the premier attractions in the province. Taking place in July, it showcases an array of cowboy and rodeo-themed entertainment and exhibitions that captivate audiences. Dubbed the ultimate extravaganza in the open air, the Calgary Stampede currently draws in countless tourists who participate with the community by donning denim and vibrant Stetson hats. Notable features of this obligatory excursion encompass a grand procession, rodeo contests, exhilarating chuck wagon races, and an authentic First Nations settlement. Additionally, numerous musical performances and theatrical productions take place here, alongside a lively carnival atmosphere, flapjack feasts for breakfast enthusiasts, as well as agricultural exhibitions. Reaching Stampede Park, the festival's permanent venue, is convenient whether you opt for public transportation or drive your own car. Ample parking spaces are provided for visitors. Furthermore, even if you find yourself in Calgary during the off-season, a visit to the park and taking part in a guided tour or attending a concert are still considered among the top activities to experience in the city. Number 10. Take a day trip to Banff and Lake Louise. No doubt, Banff National Park and the town of Banff are among the top destinations to explore in Canada because of their stunning mountain scenery. They offer an ideal day trip from Calgary. If you want the freedom to make stops and enjoy the sights whenever you feel like it, driving a car, either your own or a rental, is probably the most suitable choice for traveling from Calgary to Banff. There are various methods of transportation available, but taking your time and having flexibility can be best achieved by driving. With a drive time of less than 90 minutes, the journey itself is absolutely breathtaking. As soon as you leave the city, you will be greeted by stunning mountain views that continue throughout the entire route. Once you pass through Canmore, which is another excellent spot for sightseeing, you will enter Banff National Park and find yourself in the charming town of Banff. Banff is not only the sole community within this magnificent park, but also an ideal place to explore before or after touring it. The town offers numerous opportunities for shopping and dining, ensuring that visitors have plenty to do. Additionally, Banff boasts a wide selection of top-notch accommodations for those who wish to stay overnight. During your visit, a must-see attraction is Lake Louise. Renowned for its breathtaking turquoise waters surrounded by majestic snow-covered mountains, some of which reach heights exceeding 3,000 meters, this location provides the perfect backdrop for capturing memorable selfies. Additionally, it offers an ideal setting to take a moment and appreciate the magnificent natural beauty of this region. The presence of the charming Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise in the background adds to the allure of this spot as well. There are various enjoyable activities to partake in at Lake Louise, such as taking a leisurely walk along the charming lakeshore path or embarking on a scenic canoe ride. Another option is to experience the breathtaking views of the lake by taking a ride on the Lake Louise gondola. Number 9. Take the kids to Calgary Zoo. Having a history that can be traced back to 1917, the Calgary Zoo is a highly regarded destination for families in the city and is also recognized as Canada's biggest and most frequently visited zoological park. Situated on a vast 120-acre area on St. George's Island in the Bow River, this zoo houses more than 1,000 animals from about 272 different species, including numerous rare and endangered species. In spring, the property offers botanical gardens that are enjoyable to explore. The arrival of newborn animals during this season also makes it a great time to visit. For updates and information about the zoo's animal residents, please refer to their website. Top attractions that you should not miss at the zoo include the Land of Lemurs, Destination Africa, and the Canadian Wilds. The Canadian Wilds is where you can get an up-close look at captivating animals like grizzly bears and recently arrived pandas. You can also have a great time exploring the prehistoric park attraction, which features life-sized replicas of dinosaurs spread over 6 acres. If you happen to visit during winter, make sure to check out the annual Zoo Lights Christmas Festival held in the evenings. Number 8. See the views from Calgary Tower. One of Calgary's iconic structures, the Calgary Tower offers visitors a unique experience with its glass-bottomed viewing platform and rotating restaurant. From this vantage point, situated 191 meters above the city, sightseers can enjoy breathtaking views and an exhilarating sense of being suspended in midair. Originally established in 1968, the tower held the title of being the tallest building in the city until 1984. Even today, it continues to provide breathtaking vistas of both the urban landscape and the surrounding mountains. The tower's allure is heightened during nighttime when it becomes illuminated, creating a truly mesmerizing spectacle. The massive torch of the tower served as a symbol of the Olympic spirit in 1988 and continues to be illuminated during important events. Inside the building, there is a captivating film that showcases the tower's construction and provides entertainment for visitors. Number 7. Take a walk to Prince's Island Park. Prince's Island Park, situated north of downtown Calgary, is a vast expanse of green spanning 50 acres. This park, positioned on an island in the Bow River, is conveniently close to Eau Claire Market. Visitors often choose to explore both attractions during their trip. With 3 pedestrian bridges connecting it to the mainland, Prince's Island Park provides ample space for walking and biking activities. Additionally, during the summer season, outdoor concerts and plays are held within its grounds. There is also a well-liked restaurant situated on the island. Number 6. Take the train. Rocky Mountaineer Rail Journey. The Rocky Mountaineer Rail Tour, which has received numerous awards for its excellence, offers a luxurious and exclusive experience. It is privately owned and operates between the cities of Calgary or Jasper and Vancouver, where the company is headquartered. This scenic journey takes you through the majestic Rockies along the historic Canadian Pacific Line. As you travel, you will be treated to breathtaking views of nature's beauty. One notable highlight is Canmore, which provides an impressive panoramic view of the snow-capped Three Sisters mountain peaks. These awe-inspiring peaks serve as a magnificent backdrop for your unforgettable trip. After a short time, you will arrive at the well-liked destination of Banff. There are other notable attractions in this hilly area, with mountains reaching heights of 3,600 meters. These include Lake Louise, Kicking Horse Pass, and Rogers Pass. Moreover, there is a range of opportunities for day trips, or even breaking up your journey. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, it is common to make a stop in Banff and spend a few days exploring Banff National Park through hiking adventures. No matter how you decide to approach this incredible train journey, it is important to note that as one of the most popular scenic rail experiences in North America, it is wise to plan your trip ahead of time. This is especially true if you have a strong desire to ride in the luxurious Gold Leaf Dome car in first class. Number 5. Hike around Fish Creek Provincial Park. Spanning almost 14 square kilometers, Fish Creek Provincial Park is the second largest urban park in Canada. Situated in the far south of Calgary, this expansive green area attracts visitors with its numerous scenic walking and hiking trails. These paths wind through forested sections and alongside the creek, some even linking up with other trails that intersect the city. Fish Creek Park has been officially recognized as a natural reserve, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a genuine connection with nature. It is widely known for its abundant bird population, boasting an impressive array of approximately 200 distinct species. Additionally, there are numerous recreational activities available to visitors such as fishing, swimming, biking, and the opportunity to join guided nature tours. Moreover, the park houses several historical buildings that offer a delightful exploration experience. To further enhance visitors' convenience and enjoyment during their visit to the park grounds, there is also a visitor center and a restaurant available on site. Number 4. Enjoy the seasons at Bonus Park. If you have some extra time during your trip to Calgary, consider adding a visit to Bonus Park. Situated in the northwest area of the city, this expansive 74-acre park is highly favored by families and offers an excellent setting for picnics or barbecues, complete with fire pits for your convenience. During the summer, there is even a delightful paddle boat ride available. If you are traveling with children, they will surely be excited to hop on the charming little train designed just for them. In winter, the focus shifts to ice activities such as skating and a unique experience known as ice biking. Yes, it involves riding a bike on skates. Additionally, there are other winter pastimes like hockey, curling, and cross-country skiing. Visiting in autumn offers an especially pleasant opportunity to witness the changing colors of leaves. Number 3. See the planes at the Hangar Flight Museum. The Hangar Flight Museum places its emphasis on the historical aspects of Canadian aviation, with a particular focus on Western Canada. It was established by Canadian pilots who served in World War II and has since expanded significantly to showcase a diverse collection of aircraft. Currently, the museum boasts an impressive display of 24 planes and helicopters, including simulators, aviation art prints, radio equipment, and informative exhibits dedicated to the rich history of aviation. In the vicinity of Calgary Airport, there exists a sizable establishment that houses an intriguing exhibition of relics and knowledge pertaining to Canada's space endeavors. This museum offers not only a captivating display but also a range of activities such as lectures, tours, events, and even movie nights focused on aircraft-related themes. Number 2. Tour the stables at Spruce Meadows. A well-known center for horse riding invites guests to explore their stables and witness the training sessions of talented show jumpers and dressage champions. The facility offers outdoor tournaments during the spring season and indoor competitions at other times of the year. In addition to its equestrian focus, Spruce Meadows boasts a 505-acre site that includes a football stadium, various retail vendors, and multiple dining choices. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks on the beautiful grounds while taking in all that this renowned equestrian destination has to offer throughout the year. Number 1. Take a seat in the Devonian Gardens, located on the 4th floor of the core shopping center. Visitors will stumble upon Devonian Gardens, a delightful floral oasis. Spanning approximately 2.5 acres, these indoor gardens showcase a variety of 550 trees, including captivating tropical palms. The serene ambience is further enhanced by sculptures, fish ponds, fountains, and an impressive living wall measuring 900 square feet in size. The displays at the Devonian Gardens consist of approximately 10,000 plants. Despite Calgary's harsh winters, these plants flourish beneath a glass ceiling. Additionally, visitors can find a children's play area within the gardens. It is worth noting that admission to the Devonian Gardens is free for everyone to enjoy and explore. Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other recent videos from 10 Minutes Travel, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.